In the quest for gold, geologists and mining companies engage in a meticulous process of exploration to uncover the hidden treasures beneath the Earth's surface. This journey begins with the crucial step of identifying potential gold-bearing areas, a task that requires expertise, innovation, and a deep understanding of geological formations. Geological maps serve as the starting point in the search for gold. These maps provide valuable insights into the geological makeup of an area, including rock formations, fault lines, and historical mining data. Geologists meticulously analyze these maps, scouring them for clues that may indicate the presence of gold deposits. By deciphering the geological history imprinted on these maps, geologists can identify areas ripe for exploration. In the modern era of mining exploration, traditional methods are complemented by cutting-edge technologies. Remote sensing and geophysical surveys have revolutionized the way we explore for gold. Remote sensing technologies, such as satellite imagery and aerial drones, provide high-resolution data that can uncover subtle geological features invisible to the naked eye. Geophysical surveys, utilizing techniques like magnetic and electromagnetic sensing, offer insights into the subsurface geology, allowing geologists to peer beneath the surface with unprecedented clarity. Identifying potential gold-bearing areas is as much an art as it is a science. It requires a blend of geological expertise, intuition, and innovative thinking. Before the shovels hit the ground and the machinery roars to life, geologists and mining experts embark on a journey of exploration. Through extensive surveys, prospecting, and geological studies, they meticulously pinpoint areas with promising gold deposits. Once a potential gold-bearing site is identified, the real work begins. The first order of business in preparing the mining site is to clear away nature's obstacles. Dense vegetation conceals the treasures buried beneath the surface, necessitating its removal. With the land cleared, attention turns to establishing access to the heart of the mining site. Access roads, like arteries branching out into the wilderness, are meticulously constructed to provide passage for heavy machinery, supplies, and personnel. No mining operation can thrive without a solid foundation of infrastructure. Camps and facilities spring up, transforming the once barren landscape into a bustling hub of activity. Gold is often found nestled within the cracks and crevices of rocks, concentrated in what are known as lode deposits or vein deposits. These geological formations hold the promise of untold riches, but accessing them requires a blend of expertise and technology. When it comes to extracting gold from lode deposits, hard rock mining reigns supreme. This method involves the meticulous process of drilling into the earth and blasting away the rock to reveal the gold-bearing veins beneath. Hard rock mining demands specialized tools and equipment designed to withstand the rigors of the Earth's depths. Drill rigs, equipped with powerful drills capable of penetrating solid rock, are deployed to bore into the earth. These rigs are operated by skilled technicians who navigate the subterranean landscape with precision. Once the drill rigs have carved their paths into the earth, it's time to unleash the power of explosives. Blasting charges are carefully placed within the drilled holes, strategically positioned to fracture the rock and reveal the hidden gold within. It's a controlled explosion, orchestrated with meticulous care to maximize efficiency and safety. As the dust settles and the echoes of the blast fade away, miners descend into the depths below. Equipped with specialized gear and guided by years of experience, they navigate the labyrinthine tunnels in search of the precious metal that lies within. As miners delve deeper into the Earth's crust in search of gold, they unearth more than just precious metal. They uncover raw ore, the raw material from which gold is extracted. But before gold can shine, it must undergo a transformative journey of material handling and processing. After the explosive power of drilling and blasting has cracked open the earth, miners are faced with a daunting task, moving tons of ore to the surface. This is where mucking machines come into play. These mechanical marvels, equipped with powerful scoops and conveyors, scoop up the ore and transfer it to waiting cars. It's a choreographed dance of machinery and manpower as miners work tirelessly to move the precious cargo to the surface. Once topside, the ore undergoes its first transformation. It's fed into crushers, massive machines that pulverize the ore into smaller particles. This crushing process is essential for unlocking the gold trapped within the rock. By breaking down the ore into smaller pieces, miners increase its surface area, making it more accessible to chemical reactions in the next stage of processing. With the ore finely ground, it's ready for the next phase of processing: chemical extraction. The powdered ore is mixed with a water and cyanide solution, a process known as cyanidation. This solution reacts with the gold particles, dissolving them and forming a gold-cyanide complex. It's a delicate dance of chemistry, as the cyanide leaches the gold from the ore, separating it from the surrounding rock and impurities. But cyanide alone is not enough to coax the gold from its rocky confines. Oxygen, the elixir of life, is introduced into the slurry through aeration. As bubbles of oxygen dance through the slurry, they trigger a chemical reaction that dissolves the gold particles, setting them free from their mineral prison. It's a delicate dance of molecules, orchestrated with precision to maximize gold recovery. With the gold liberated from the ore, the next step is to separate it from the solid impurities that remain. The slurry undergoes filtration, a process that separates the gold-containing water from the solid residue. Through a series of filters, the gold-rich solution is sieved, leaving behind the rocky remnants of the ore. The journey begins with the gold-laden solution, a liquid brimming with potential. Through a process known as precipitation, this solution is transformed into solid gold particles. Agents such as zinc, carbon, or aluminum are introduced into the solution, triggering a chemical reaction that causes the gold to precipitate out. Like magic, the liquid gold begins to take shape, forming solid particles that will become the foundation of pure gold. But the journey of refinement is far from over. To achieve the ultimate purity, the solid gold particles undergo smelting, a process that separates the gold from any lingering impurities. The gold concentrate is mixed with flux materials, including a concoction of chemicals like manganese dioxide, silica flour, and borax. These flux materials serve as catalysts, lowering the melting point of impurities and enabling their separation from the gold. As the mixture of gold concentrate and flux materials is heated in a specialized furnace, a transformation occurs. The intense heat, reaching temperatures upwards of 1600 degrees Celsius, melts the gold concentrate, turning it into a molten liquid. Within the crucible of the furnace, impurities rise to the surface, forming a layer of slag that is carefully skimmed away, leaving behind the pure essence of gold. Gold, with its timeless allure and shimmering beauty, undergoes a journey of refinement that extends beyond purity to encompass responsibility and stewardship. In the quest for flawless gold, quality control and environmental compliance play pivotal roles, ensuring not only the brilliance of the metal, but also the preservation of our planet's precious resources. After the fiery crucible of smelting has transformed raw material into molten gold, the next step is to assess its purity and quality. This is where assaying comes into play. Through various analytical methods such as fire assay, atomic absorption spectroscopy, and mass spectroscopy, the gold is meticulously examined to ascertain its purity and composition. Each ingot undergoes rigorous testing, with any deviations from the desired standard promptly addressed. It's a process that ensures only the finest gold makes its way into the hands of consumers. The journey of mining and refining that precious and shiny stone we know as gold is not without its challenges and responsibilities. Throughout the process, miners and refineries must navigate environmental regulations and ensure sustainable practices to minimize their impact on the planet. From effluent treatment to waste management, every effort is made to safeguard the environment and preserve our natural resources for future generations. In the end, the story on how gold is made is more than just a tale of metallurgy and chemistry. It's a story of human ingenuity and resilience, of our ability to unlock the hidden treasures of the earth while also safeguarding its delicate balance. And as long as there are dreams of wealth and beauty, the journey on how gold is made will continue to inspire and captivate us for generations to come.